Hello sir, in this tutorial I will show you how to install Defender Pro and configure it. Please take a look. First, let's install Defender Pro. I have already installed it. You see that here is Defender Pro. But how can you install it? First, click plugins. Then click upload. Then click browse, and here is some Defender Pro. Here is Defender Pro, and you just click on it and just click install now, and it will install it. And then just you have to activate it after install. So I am not going to show you that because it is not actually necessary, because you know how to install a plugin. So let's go for the things we have to fix. So you see it's about 90% scanning is done, and it is working with analyzing WordPress content. So still we have to wait. So according to our check, there is nothing found there, only error log is found. You can easily delete it, or you can check it what is this error log actually works with, because sometimes plugins update, and if your Google verification code is watching here, sees here, then it is working fine, and we just delete it. Then we just go for ignored files. If you added any ignored files, suppose like you don't have any ignored files, like we will wish to ignore Google this one. So how can you ignore it? You just check it, and you just choose from, you have to try to load, and just choose ignore, and just click apply, and it will be ignored. Yes, suspicious file has been ignored. It shows that it is ignored. So next time when you scan it, it will not show up. And if you check this, this file is ignored. So now second option is settings. We will have to check settings, and suspicious code, and scan all scan reports. If you need scan reports, you will get it. And I don't think you not needed it, because often you try to give in a week. If you just make a scan with your website, that will be fine for you. Personally, this is a manual check, and that will be good for you. Most often messages from servers are ignored, so it is better to scan your websites a week. So it's a reporting option. So actually we don't need so much reporting option. I just take a look. It's loading, it's taking time. So let's wait for our next option. Let's wait for loading it. So this is reporting option, and here is weekly. How can your reporting option or monthly? I seems weekly is good, and Sunday is good. And enter username. You can just add a username here, and you can search for a username, and you just add it here. And you don't need much, because I think you're supposed to check this manually. It will be fine for you. Next is security tweaks. Let's wait for it. It's taking it shows security tweaks means we will harden this site security. And first we will have to disable this one. We will disable this one, disable pingbacks. disable ping banks. Okay, nice. Then it will save your bandwidth. We will not disable file editor, most often you need it. And update all security keys, we will do it later. And prevent server type Apache, and prevent information disclosure, add htaccess file. Our server type is Apache. So manage login duration and number of days. We can day 1 day, number of days 1 day. Just the number user can stay logged in. And resolve 9 ignored and issues, and 2 we'll update security keys later, as I say you before. And let's try advanced tools. And we don't need two-factor authentication because it's complicated. We just make sure this one, Max login area. So we just activate it. Yes, your settings have been updated. So actually this is the secret login. I am going to put it here, secret login. And I will just click save. And now you will see here is a users will log in at secret login, because then you, and now OP admin, this default URL will not work. You have to log in with secret login, this one. So I just go security tweaks again. And I just make sure update old security keys. Update, regenerate, this one I will click on it. You have to 6 days. You can keep it 6 days. So it has to be re-login. So if you try to re-login, and you will see URL is secret login. Okay. So this is how you can configure your you can configure your Defender Pro. I hope you love this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.